Robyn,
Yes.
can you look this way? And can you look this way? Come on. Look this way, Robyn. Look this way. They are very cheap microphones on the sides of the head, but I'm gonna show you how I connected them to the Arduino. So first I'm gonna turn off the servos. This is a signal from the microphones. So these are the right and left microphone. And this is a peer sensor in the chest of Robyn. But I've set this to about 300 with potentiometers. I'm gonna show you. And then you can see when I talk, goes up and down with the volume of the microphone. Wee-hoo! Like that. Let's take off the cap. This is the microphone connected like this, and it's connected to the HDMI block there connection, because I use the HDMI to get the signal down to the back. Okay, so I'm gonna. This is the computer that drives Robyn, but I control this computer with a TeamViewer from this stationary computer, because it's much easier and it's the biggest TV screen and everything. But everything is on Robyn, and it's just the power cable here. This is connected to the wireless network and the other computer as well, so you can use TeamViewer over internet or whatever. I'm gonna take this away. Okay, so this is the back of Robyn, and here we got the cables from the head, power cable, and the cable from the camera, and the HDMI cable going down to this one. And then I have the microphone cables connected to this little unit here, potentiometers, and then going down to this here. This is for conversation with your passenger if you're driving a motorcycle. So one person has this connection with a microphone and a speaker, and the passenger has this one. But I connected it so it's left and right microphone, and there are volumes on both. So with the potentiometer I set 300 for the level of the currents in, and the volume is how sensitive the microphones will be. And then they are connected to the analog input on the Arduino. I tried to put them in analog input on the left Arduino Mega, but it didn't work because the servos in the hands and arms were shaking, and the light in the stomach were changing colors and acting very strange. And the same was if I connected it to port 0 to 5 in on the right side. And my theory is that Inmoov is made for 1 Mega and 1 Uno, and because I have a Mega here, I have extra ports, and the Inmoov script don't care about those. So maybe someone has to take a look at the Inmoov script about analog input. That's my theory anyway. Maybe I done something else wrong, but now it works, and it worked with the analog input in a smaller script without the Inmoov script. So, but now it works here. So that's how I got it working. And this is the back of Robyn with everything on it. Okay, thank you.